Welcome to my repair and maintenance playlist for the Ford Figo. The car featured in these videos is from the original 2002 to 2008 production run sold in Europe as the 5th generation Fiesta 1.4 tdci, commonly known as the Fiesta Mark VI. This is the platform from which Ford made fairly minor changes to create the 2010 to 2015 Figo and a small group of other variants. Please like my videos and subscribe to this channel. It will help motivate me to produce more helpful content. Hit the bell icon to be the first to view new videos as they arrive. The car featured was purchased with 219,240 miles on the clock as a one-year stopgap. We liked it so much we decided to keep the car, and as of today it's covered 252,560 miles with no major issues. This is testimony to how well designed and engineered the car is, especially in its diesel form where the PSA Ford 1.4 litre turbo diesel is used. If you do all the routine maintenance and little fixes as they happen, you'll have a very good, reliable, cheap to run car for many, many years to come, and I hope these videos help you achieve that.
Yeah.